Hey everyone, and a massive welcome to my brand new channel. I'm so excited to have you here. Today, we're diving headfirst into the thrilling world of Minecraft. And I've got something truly special for you. For all you dedicated players out there who love the intense challenge of Crystal PvP, get ready, because we're about to unlock a game changer. I'm thrilled to be sharing a fantastic Crystal PvP client with you all. This isn't just any client. It's designed to elevate your gameplay and give you that edge you've been looking for. We've put a lot of thought into making this as smooth and effective as possible, ensuring it enhances your experience without compromising the integrity of the game. This client is specifically crafted for the latest version, 1.21.1. We know how important it is to stay up to date, and this client is ready to go, perfectly compatible with this exciting new update. Whether you're a seasoned Crystal PvP veteran or just starting to explore this intense combat style, this client is built to support you. What makes this client stand out? It's all about providing you with the tools to perform at your best. We've focused on optimizing performance and adding features that are genuinely useful for Crystal PvP scenarios. Think about smoother interactions, clearer visuals, and responsive controls that can make all the difference when every millisecond counts. This client is designed to help you react faster, strategize more effectively, and ultimately enjoy the thrill of victory. We understand that in the competitive landscape of Minecraft, having the right tools can be a significant advantage. That's why we've worked hard to bring you a client that is both powerful and reliable. Our goal is to empower you to push your limits and experience Crystal PvP in a whole new light. Downloading and installing it is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process to ensure you can get started right away. We want this to be an accessible upgrade for everyone, so you can spend less time fiddling with settings and more time mastering your PvP skills. This is just the beginning of what we have planned for this channel. We're passionate about Minecraft and dedicated to bringing you valuable content, tips, and resources to help you grow as a player. I'm genuinely excited to build this community with all of you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I truly appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed this and want to see more awesome Minecraft content, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. And I've been getting a lot of questions about my specific controls. So, if you're curious about how I navigate and build in Minecraft, and you'd like a link to my control setup, please drop a comment below. I'll be sure to share the MediaFire link in our next video. Your feedback and engagement mean the world to me, and I can't wait to see what you create with these settings. Thanks for being such an awesome community. Hey there! So you're using the Mojo launcher for Minecraft? That's awesome! It's great that it's on the Play Store. If you ever need a direct link, just let me know in the comments.